I thought I would try another recipe from my can opener gourmet cookbook. So that means grab that can opener, let's put you to work. I'm making a red, white, and black bean salad. A great summer salad. Grab a bowl. We need to add 4 cans. Drained and rinsed red kidney beans. Drained and rinsed white beans. Drained and rinsed black beans. And a drained can of corn. Grab a small bowl, we're making a dressing. 1/3 cup olive oil, a 1/4 cup white wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Give that a whisk. Let's add that and mix it in. I'm gonna cut in some cilantro just because I had it handy. Here we go, beanie. Red, white, and black bean salad. You could eat it right away or chill it. Here we go. It's good. It's that dressing that makes it special. It gives it a good warmth and a great tang. I think I give it a 7.2 out of 10. I never understood odorless candles. They don't make sense.